Hi YouTube. Today I am going to show you how to display Google's Sheets columns right to left like this. A here, B here, C here, D here. Okay, let's follow my instruction. Go to Google Sheets, go to the Google Sheets home, then click on setting. Then you can click on always show right to left controls and click OK. Okay, now I'm going to open this sheets. Okay, now I want to show this left to right columns, right to left. Click on format, then you can see here sheet right to left. Click on it. Okay, now you can see every column right to left. If you want to again show left to right, you can click on format, directions, and untick this. Okay friends, you can easily use this method to show Google Sheets column right to left. If you have any questions, please comment below. Thanks for watching.